Alright, YouTube, David Harry here. Now let me just launch this Windows 11 VM here on my Apple Mac M1 device, which in this instance is a MacBook Air. Now what I'm going to do is just show you a couple of problems with the version of the Windows 11 ARM installation that I have on this system. I will also show you what version that it is, just so that you know where we're up to with these things. But basically, as it stands as of now, I'm having a lot of difficulties trying to install certain stuff, and I will show you this in a second. Hold on. What it is, I'm actually just doing the whole, like, going through from beginning to end here, from, like, my Apple desktop into Windows, just so you can clearly see exactly what's going on here. Okay, so this is now going to just start opening up like the Xbox app, and this is actually the first thing where I've got an issue. So Xbox app is open. So what I'm going to do here is go to log in. So sign in, and it's not doing it. Okay, now it's coming up here saying having trouble installing and launching games. I've followed this a number of times. It says fix it now. It just takes you to a web page, on the Microsoft site, which is just giving you some hints and tips, but none of them really help. So let me just try this one more time. So sign in, and again, it is not signing in. Okay, so let me just exit that. Now what I'm going to do is come down to the Microsoft Store. So let's go here, and then that vanishes. Okay. Now let me just try that again. Okay, it's trying to launch and then it vanishes. Let me just do one more time. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, it's trying to launch, then it vanishes. Okay, so far what we've seen here then is that the Xbox app won't be, I can't log in basically, and I also can't log into the Windows App Store either. So what I'm going to do here is let's just go and check out the versions and stuff that I'm on here. So if I go to about here, now what I'm going to do, I'll just kind of zoom in here so you can see exactly what information I've got on the screen. So as far as the actual developer version and stuff that's on here and the actual build and stuff, there's all the information there. Now if anybody has got any solutions for this, please feel free to throw something into the comments of this video. I'm fairly sure it'll help other people. Or if it looks like I may have done something wrong, then please also let me know about that in the comments to this video. But unfortunately, and as we've just seen, I am unable to log in and download stuff through the Xbox app, so can't get hold of any of my games. And also as well, there's nothing going on with the Windows App Store either. Okay, if you've liked this video for any reason, please give us a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel and getting all over that bell notification icon. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.